Good morning, student. Now our next topic of chapter number 8 is muscles, its functions, properties and classifications. Each and every movement of human body, whether internal or external, is a result of muscles contraction. Muscles are the tissue of the body which primarily functions as a source of power. Muscles help in the circulation of blood. They also give shape to the person. Muscles have four major properties. First is excitability. It refers to the ability of the muscle to respond to certain stimuli by producing electric signal called action potentials. The muscles respond to stimulation by nerves and the hormones, making it possible for the nervous system and in some muscles type there exists the endocrine system to regulate muscles activity. Second is contractility. It refers to the capacity of muscles to contract or shorten forcefully. The third is extensibility. Extensibility means that muscles can be stretched to their normal resting length and beyond to a limited degree. The fourth and last property is elasticity. It means that if muscles are stretched, they recoil to their original resting length. The muscular system. The muscular system is a complex collection of tissues, each with a different purpose. A muscle is a specialized tissue. It enables the body and its parts to move. It also gives shape to the body. The muscles contribute 40 to 50 of the total body weight. Muscles beautify the human body. Myology is the term used to describe the study of muscles. So myology is a science or a branch of anatomy which deals with muscles. Muscles are attached to bones, cartilage, ligaments and the skin. The muscles which are placed beneath the skin are flat. The upper and lower limbs have long muscles. The muscular system consists of muscle fiber which form a cover over the bony framework below the skin. In everything we use muscles. In walking, running, breathing, sitting, reading, chewing, swallowing, there is movement of the blood in blood vessels and breathing of the heart. The human body has over 600 different muscles. Muscles are classified in the following types on the basis of their structure: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles is also known as voluntary muscles. Smooth muscles are known as involuntary muscles. The first type is voluntary or skeletal muscles. These muscles are also called stripped muscles or ovulatory muscles. These muscles have the greatest diversity in shape, size, power, speed of contraction, and the mean they are attached to the bones or other tissues. They control the movement of the body in relation to the environment. Example: hands, arms, legs, neck, trunk, eyes. Skeletal muscles are multinucleate. Skeletal muscles is voluntary because its contraction is always stimulated and controlled by the nervous system. The central nervous system sends a signal to the muscles via nerves which then convert chemical energy into movement and the muscles. These muscles move or act according to one's will, such as the muscle of hand, feet and leg. The another type is involuntary or smooth muscles. These muscles are also called unstripped muscles. These muscles also present in the eyes where it functions to change the size of the iris and alter the shape of lens. Smooth muscles is present in the walls of hollow organs like the urinary bladder, uterus, stomach, intestine and in the walls of passageways such as the arteries and veins of the circulatory system and the tracts of the respiratory, urinary and reproductive systems. In the skin where it causes hair to stand erect in response to cold temperature or fear. These muscles don't move according to one's will, such as heart and kidneys. The third number is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are found in our heart. These are strips in the muscles as in voluntary muscles, but they differ slightly because their fiber have some branches. The cross-bending pattern is similar to that of skeletal muscles. Each cell has a large oval centrally located nucleus. Cardiac muscles is involuntary and has little or no capacity for regeneration. The color of the fiber is generally red. This muscle cannot function according to our will and is completely independent. Cardiac muscles are present in heart. It constitutes bulk of the heart walls. Many cardiac muscles cell assemble in a branching pattern to form a cardiac muscle. Based on appearance, cardiac muscles are striated. They are involuntary in nature as the nervous system does not control their activities directly. Most of us have no conscious control. How fast our heart beats. Cardiac muscle fibers each have 1 to 2 nuclei and are physically and electrically connected to each other. Functions of muscles. A machine converts chemical energy into mechanical energy. Similarly, the muscular system tones up our body. We know that there are three types of muscles present in our body: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Each muscles perform different functions in our body. Muscles tissue is responsible for all body movement. This includes body motion as in walking, but also organ movement such as dilation of blood vessels or heart contraction. Muscle contractions perform two things. Either they maintain a posture or they cause different movement. Muscles support the functions of most our systems that keep us alive, like respiratory, digestion, blood circulation. The function of the cardiac muscle is to pump the heart. The skeletal muscle perform movement at their own will by providing a force for any movement in the body. Heating of body, muscles contraction give off heat and help maintain body temperature. Shivering warms the body when muscles in the skin contract reflexively due to cold. The shape of a human body is the result of muscles. The internal organs in a human body perform movements by the smooth muscles. These muscles, such as stomach, intestine, and blood vessels, perform smooth movement with the help of smooth muscles. Muscles maintain balance between the various organs of body. Muscles give help in various activities: eating, breathing, and speaking. Some muscles help in increasing the range of movement. The bones are protected by big muscles.